Stop. Before you spend another dollar on audiophile gear, there are traps you need to avoid. From overpriced speaker cables to misleading audio myths, let's uncover the biggest scams in high-end audio. Trap number 1. Expensive speaker cables. Premium cables claim to enhance sound quality, but blind tests show minimal to no difference between standard and high-end cables. What truly matters is gauge size, shielding, and proper connections, not marketing gimmicks. Investing in better speakers or room treatment provides real improvements. Trap number 2, bigger price tag, is not equal to better sound. Higher prices don't always mean better performance. Many mid-range AV receivers and amplifiers deliver excellent sound at a fraction of the cost. Some brands charge premium prices for basic components, relying on exclusivity rather than performance. Distortion levels, signal-to-noise ratio, and power handling are more reliable indicators of quality than price alone. Trap number 3. Audiophile-grade accessories. Expensive power cables and gold-plated connectors promise cleaner sound, but most equipment already includes built-in filtering. Accessories like vibration-damping feet and exotic fuses provide little to no audible difference. Proper speaker placement, room treatment, and EQ adjustments have a much greater impact. Trap number 4. Room acoustics matter more than gear. A poorly treated room can degrade even the best speakers. Hard surfaces create sound reflections that affect clarity and bass response. A well-treated space with rugs, curtains, and diffusers improves overall sound quality more effectively than upgrading to higher-end gear. Trap number 5. The break-in myth. Some claim speakers require hours of use before reaching peak performance. In reality, most changes are psychological. Ears adjust to the sound rather than the speakers improving over time. If a speaker sounds off, placement and EQ adjustments offer a real solution. Trap number 6. Chasing perfect specs. Technical specifications like THD, signal-to-noise ratio, and high-bit DACs can be useful, but after a certain point, differences become inaudible. Overanalyzing specs can distract from the actual enjoyment of music. Sound should be experienced, not just measured. Final verdict: avoiding audiophile traps. Expensive cables and accessories offer little real benefit. Room acoustics, proper placement, and quality speakers contribute far more to sound improvement than marketing-driven upgrades. Focus on what truly enhances the listening experience rather than chasing myths. What's the biggest audiophile trap you've encountered? Share your experience in the comments. Want to avoid more common mistakes? Subscribe for upcoming insights on home theater and audio setup.